Hi, I'm Erin. I'm one of the occupational therapists at CDRC, and I'm here today to talk about shoe tying. So there's a few tricks that we like to use for shoe tying, and I'm going to go over a couple of them. One simple idea for kids who are having trouble figuring out which foot goes in which shoe, you can take one of the square stickers, you know, the kind you get at the doctor's office and things like that, that size, cut it in half and put the left side of the sticker in the left shoe, right in here, and then put the right side in the right shoe. So that way when they line them up, the picture goes together and makes the full picture, kind of like a puzzle. So that's one idea. Another idea that we've had a lot of success with is taking two different colored shoelaces, and cutting them in half and then tying them together at the bottom. Oops, that's not the bottom. So then what happens is when you lace up the shoe, you get one lace on the side that's one color, purple, and one lace that's orange on the other side. You can use kids' favorite colors, make it really fun and exciting for the kids. So that way, when you're teaching shoe tying, it's much easier to say, oh, use the purple lace, or oh, loop around the orange lace, rather than just saying this one, that one, and it's much more visually easy for the kids to understand as well. And now for the steps of shoe tying that are most simple are as follows. 7 steps. You go ahead and make an X, tuck under, and pull tight. So that was Step 1, make an X. Step 2, tuck under. Step 3, pull tight. Step 4, make a loop. And I always remind kids to keep their fingers close to the shoe and make sure that they still have a long tail. Otherwise, it doesn't work as well when they're finishing the steps. Step 5 is swoop it. Step 6 is push through. And step 7 is pull tight. To double knot, it's just repeating steps 1, 2, and 3. Make an X, tuck under, and pull. So again, those 7 steps that we usually use are step 1, make an X, step 2, tuck under, step 3, pull tight, step 4, make a loop, 5, swoop, 6, push through, 7, pull tight. Thanks.